Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn a user-defined function to find the number of lowercase letters, uppercase letters, special case letters in a string. Okay, let us say if you give input as JamesBond at the rate 007, now you will have lowercase 7 letters, uppercase 2, digits 3, 007. So 3. Special character, that means at. So special character is 1. So it should display the statistics in that particular string. Now for that, I will write a Python definition. So I will use the feature of the Python. I will directly call the function. Okay, my function name is case identifier. Now I will pass the letter. So James Bond at the rate 007. When you pass this, Python will ask you to find it will ask you the feature. Can I create the function? Yes. So click on it. Now an empty function is created. So here param represents parameter. My parameter is string. Okay. So to display the lowercase count and uppercase count and digits count and special character count, you need to declare 4 variables and everything will be set to 0 initially. So lower count equal to upper count equal to digit count equal to special count equal to 0. So everything will be set to 0 initially. Now you have to iterate the loop for I in str. Now you have a method to know whether the character is lowercase or uppercase. You have a method called isLower. So I dot isLower. So keep a if condition and check whether the character is a lowercase or not. If it is a lowercase, increment the lower count. Increment the lower count. Incrementing lower count means lower count equal to lower count plus 1. Right? So else if check whether it is uppercase. If it is uppercase, now again you have to increment the upper count value by 1. So upper count equal to upper count plus 1. Else if find whether it is a digit or not. For that you have two methods, isNumeric and isDigit. You can use anything. So I'm using isNumeric. Increment the digit count, that's all. Then if all the three conditions failed, you have to write else. Else increment the special count. Equal to special count plus 1. Now return all the 4. Return lower count, comma, upper count, comma, digit count, comma, special count. So this is your Python definition. So since this is your definition and you are returning multiple values, you will be calling the function and the function will return you in a tuple. So the variable you have to select is a tuple type variable. So I will assign the value to 4 variables. Let us say for lower count I will take L, comma, for upper count I will take U, comma, for digit count I will take D, comma, and special count I will take S. Okay, now I will print the individual counts. Print lower count, comma, L. Print upper count, comma, upper count is U. Okay, and print digit count, D. Okay, and special count, comma, S. Okay, now run this program. Okay, so okay, so these many spaces are not needed, so let us remove this. So let's run again. See here, lower count 7, upper count 2, digits count 3, and special count 1. So in this way you can run this. Now I will change the output. So I will write Chachi 420, Chachi 420. So I will get as lowercase count and 420. So there are no special counts. So special count will be 0. Okay, special count here. Space will be counted as a special character. Okay. There are no uppercase letters. See this. There are no uppercase letters here. So the uppercase count is 0 and digits are 4, 2, 0. So 3. Lower count, so Chachi is 6. So lower count is 6. Special character is 1 because we have given some space. So that is a special character because it comes under else condition. So that's why it is treated as. Now again, if you run mi3, it will give lower count 0, upper count 2. Okay, m and I, digits count is 1 because 3 is a digit. Special characters, there are no special characters. So you written the program definition once, and you can write as many, you can call the function as many times as possible. Simply you can change the values here, that's all. Let us say dada @123 @rema. So I have given everything like lowercase letters, special characters, as well as uppercase. So it will give you, so lower count is dada 4, upper count is rama 4, digit count is 123, and special characters are @ and @. Okay, so this is your Python definition, that's all. Okay, so you can pause this and you can write in your notes. Okay, best of luck for your examinations. Okay, bye children.